We're at the Manchester High School ground, which is one of our major blitz sites in the parish of Manchester, here in Mandeville. And I'm with the team. We're putting the finishing touches in place. As you can see, the chairs are already lined out. The partitions are here. Signage will go up later on. And coming from the team, my understanding is that the parish itself will have 4 sites over the 4-day period. And so far we have close to 1,000 persons registered for tomorrow, Saturday, which is a good sign. So we want to continue to encourage persons to come out and to register, 60 and over, teachers, hotel workers, and the other groups that we have outlined. If you don't manage to register and can turn up, come. But ideally registration will make the process a lot smoother. Take something with you if you have any special requirements. Maybe, we will have water and maybe some basic items just in case you're diabetic and need a little refreshment. But be prepared to wait for a couple of hours because it's a process. It's a process which includes counseling, observation, and of course getting the vaccine. And of course, if everyone comes, then we will have some traffic issues, but I think we're all organized to manage all of that. Remember too that even though we have the shutdown or lockdown over the weekend, persons coming to get their vaccines won't be affected by the lockdown, and therefore persons should feel free to move around. Just bring your ID, bring the letter from the GP or your appointment on your phone, and the police have been informed to allow for that flexibility. So I think Manchester is coming on well. I'm leaving now to go down to Clarendon to see what's happening and then into St. Catherine. But again, encouraging Jamaicans to come out and get their vaccine this weekend.